Okay, boom. So it's a snowstorm, right? But that doesn't mean the games get stopped. So normally I'll be at work right now doing security. But because we're blessed with this snowstorm and the gym's open, we getting some gains today.
I am so happy and grateful that the Lord has blessed me to play in some snow, to be.
It's shoulders and biceps. So what a glorious day to get some gains. Let's get it. Okay, had to migrate up front to hit this. There we go. Boom. Had to migrate up front to hit this real quick. Gonna hit at least 2 sets. Shoulder good, extra tension, extra punchy with also. Make sure you good. The last chest day, that's like the second chest day I had no shoulder pain at all when pressing. So you gotta keep that up. We're not lifting. Having a long lifting period, like everything's something you just enjoy doing, like as a hobby. Like playing video games, you don't play. Well, the biggest concern may be carpal tunnel tops, right? But with working out, you have to take care of your joints and all types of stuff. If you don't, you're gonna be able to do it for long. Like, I don't want to be this one guy that's just sounds like I don't know. Oh, I just creep the door, you know, like I'm walking steps, my knees cracking, my shoulders popping, elbows still out of place. I'll be able to stay good. No pain, no bullshit. Just great gains for a long period of time. Oh, that's what this thing would be natural. Like, a lot of guys want to get off and they don't like get on tier or whatever. Their body's kind of just morph into nothing. So it's a natural lifter that's been down for years. It really does seem like the muscle maturity just comes through and they don't age it much. Another crazy thing about me though is you remember when I was a kid, I played a lot of basketball that I never had this big, you know, with that back in high school. So, but as a kid, even like when I envisioned what I would be like older, I always envisioned myself small. So I don't know why. If I ever thought, hey, like younger Malachi, what does older Malachi look like? He was a small ass dude, like I am now. So kind of did that kind of meditation, but I sure did believe I have a couple of feet. Now, I thought my abs would be better. I got weird philosophy of even abs, and I'm that fucked up. Setting a calorie deficit requires me. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. That started 2 weeks ago. This morning, I had a steak, egg McMuffin. Wasn't even hungry. I was just for the love of the game. Every day we eat good. And then after this list, it's time to go get cuddled up. Eat somebody else's food. Oh yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. All right. First working set. All right, let's get shit. Um. Oh yeah, this was good. All right, let's get it. Lock in. Oh. Definitely gonna throw a 10 on it. That wasn't heavy at all. It didn't even feel. All right, yeah, I'm gonna throw a 10 on. If I find a 2.5, a 10 and a 2.5 for working sets. That's the thing. When you start getting locked in, you gotta stop cheating yourself. If the reps feel super easy, that's good. You're progressing. But if you stay there, you're not progressing when they feel easy. You gotta start incrementally adding shit on. Sometimes you have to line saying rear pec deck for the rear delts or whatever. And hit those supersetted, the front delt urges. And we'll come back to some more lateral raises with your arms. But yeah, shout out to Snow, because I don't get to work out most Saturday morning because of my other job. I like how empty it is too, like the Snow. And because most people don't work out on Saturday, that's their part of the day. Get it done. So Saturday 25. It's different, bro. It's different. Like, comment, subscribe. Be real. Who's giving you all these crazy little angles beside me? Like, comment, subscribe, bro. On road to 400. Alright. 1 out of 10, the workout's probably been like an 8.5. Basically, almost a 9, right? Shoulders are super pumps. Got some blood in there. No pain. Pushing the sets. Definitely like barely getting my last rep. The last 3 reps. Oh yeah. Pump's gonna be crazy after this. And I'm gonna do a pump check. It's gonna be a special pump check, so just know that. But yeah, we're gonna hit these plate loaded lateral raises. And maybe one more shoulder with the biceps. It's the fact that I don't have nothing to do outside of maybe crack the cheeks after I leave here means I'm gonna have so much time to film. I already did my forearm routine. I think I'm doing cardio. When people say I don't have the time to do gym, it's like I'll be making time to stay in them longer. It's not like it's less time bad. It's more or less. Yeah, we gotta find something we love. But yeah, let's get the setting. Not really wrong for you. one thing I had to learn, I ain't gonna lie. When you listen to the music in the gym and you in the zone and you rapping it out loud, you sound fucking crazy. You sound insane. I didn't know that until I started editing my videos, and I just be in there, like, rapping Young Boy. Well, right around in the drop top with a stolen eye, searching for my ass. Like an insane person. So I'm trying to hold back. I'm playing Side Baby right now, but I gotta hold it in and focus on the games. Playing the concert. Okay, so everywhere I go in the beginning it's empty and then it fills up. Everywhere I go, I guess. So I'm saying, if you want to see the debate in action, this will really probably got y'all here. I know for a fact the thumbnail is going to be like just one. I already know it's thumbnail, but that's what got y'all. The universe, the algorithm, God, and then y'all click the videos out. Y'all made it this far. You know what I'm saying? Support your boy. We on the way. We on the road to 100. And my gym ops in here, so I really gotta go crazy. Okay, so I'm low key salty because I'm not gonna lie. I think y'all probably gonna see it by now anyway. The audio wasn't working. Now it's back on, and I went back and watched some of the clips to check. You can kind of hear my voice, but this is tragic. Tragic! This is so tragic. And the mic was working at the beginning, so I don't know how it turned itself off. It's the battery low. But I gotta become a better sound guy. I'm the sound guy, I'm the videographer, photographer, content creator, engineer, trainer. I'm all of these things in one little slip up, and it fucks me up. Ooh. But, hey, yeah, let's get this set. This is crazy. Oh, yes, sir. One more. Come on. Okay, mic's still on. Thank God. All right. And I'm saying, so I got two cars. I got a Camry and a Ford Focus, right? So the Ford Focus, I only drive just to my main job, grocery store, gas station, shit like that. I don't drive all the way to Nashville because the Ford Focus is one of the worst designed cars of all time. The unlock button is in the middle dashboard. It's not on the side door. The shocks on the car suck. You can really only drive one person at a time in it. Tires are always just getting extremely low. Transmission sucks. It has this weird thing where if you don't get it fixed, water leaks from this weird part in the engine and goes through your floorboards. And it's going to keep happening every time it's like the winter, stuff like that, unless you get this part fixed or whatever. So yeah, one of the worst design cars ever. So I only use it for just, it's my everyday whoop-de-doo car, right? But that's the one that I put the mount in my car for the window. That's the one I put it in so that I could do the car talk videos. So I'm sad that during the snow, I won't be able to do the car talks, at least the way I want to. But yeah, the Camry is the one that's like, okay, if it's snowing, I'd rather be in the Camry because the Camry not gonna let you down, bro. Like, when I get money, of course I'm gonna flex on these niggas, get all the cars I want and shit like that. Switch up and trade up on all my day ones. You know, the goals everybody has, right? But I'm gonna always keep a Toyota on hand. Swear to God. But yeah, let's get that set. Enough yapping. Okay. Gotta save up some thumbnails in case a video doesn't have a good one. Come on. Okay, last set, we're gonna go from 35s to 45s. I leave too light. I'm holding myself back. Or not. The last two was pretty hard. We're gonna stay here. We're gonna stay here. Sad part of real. It's gonna be a long day if you watch the clock. Is it getting put on at the park or not? Let's just stop the cap. Okay, we're gonna do single arm cable curls. Or I guess it's kind of a preacher. Or if you know your bodybuilding history, a Scott curl. See, y'all ain't in it like that. Y'all ain't watching Golden Era bookworm videos. Y'all don't know the lineage, the history behind this shit. There's history in this iron. And y'all don't even know about it. Shame on you. You know the video with Dang, I'm gonna put it in. I'm editing it. It's like a short, fat guy, and he's like, "Who are you? You didn't walk Bob Dylan out." Da, 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 da. That's how I be feeling when people try to when Will come in the gym try to tell me about this shit. I'll be like, "Who are you?" But yeah, if I can't find a video, I'm gonna edit this out. Fuck it. Yeah, single arm cable curls. Let's get it.
Places in all of North America, who are you? Who are you? You miserable, presumptuous, no talent. You're no artist.
Like, there we go. All right. All right. So I appreciate all the YouTube love and the subscribers and shit like that. It's been going pretty good, in my opinion. It's been trajectorying up. I used that word wrong or made a word. I'm on my Cosmash shit today. But yeah, the biggest problem right now I'm trying to figure out is Instagram and TikTok. Instagram and TikTok aren't already taking off the way I would have anticipated, right? I'm like, I got 19-inch biceps. I'm natural. I thought like I'd be popping by now. No cap. I really thought I'd be popping by now. I'm like, one little hard style edit and it's up. Not the case. And I don't know, trial reels aren't doing what it used to do. Like trial reels used to at least give me 500 views before I even posted it on my real thing, on my real account, or, you know, but now it's only showing me to like 110 people. Now I don't know if that's indicative of the content itself being trash, but yeah, I gotta figure that out. The TikTok, Instagram funnel. Cause like a lot of people that blow up on TikTok, Instagram first, they create this funnel before they even make the YouTube to where when they make the YouTube, they're already at 2K to 10K subscribers before they even start posting for real. And that gives them enough motion to get monetized quicker and shit like that. But that's on the way too. All I got left over is I'm using this word wrong, I think, or I'm using the wrong word for this, I guess. The residue from my podcast days, like all my old stuff is from then on my YouTube. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you remember the podcast, or you've been here since the podcast, or you've been on the podcast. There's at least 8 of y'all. But yeah, let's get this set. Oh, man. Lock, flying, blue. Okay, I'm using low light mode, so hopefully this turns out good. I haven't used it in the gym in a minute just because it doesn't really turn out the way I want it to. But yeah, that was a good workout. It's snowing. Once in a lifetime opportunity to get some posing in the snow. And it's going to be a dope ass thumbnail. I wish there was more snow behind me so that the thumbnail pic would look crazier. But yeah. And I'm not gonna lie, I was trying to finesse some shit. I sat in the sauna for like 15 minutes. And I normally don't do that. I sat in the sauna for like 15 minutes, try to get hot, then come out here and do it. But I forgot it was snowing as bad as it is, so my car was covered up. I had to let that warm up and get all the ice off. But yeah, let's get this post down. This is a long ass video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. Help your boy out. You feel me? But yeah, let's get the shit. All right, still recording. We good, bet. One take. It's not that bad, but I feel like I lost my pump, so I'm not as hyped as I normally would be. But it's gonna make some hard ass pictures for sure. Man, I was sad at first. I was gonna be stopped snowing by the time I got out here, and I wouldn't be able to do this. So I'm just trying to bask in it. Oh man, this shit look crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Hold up. Good ass workout. Good ass video. I gotta hit the front double bicep as much as possible because this is gonna be the thumbnail. The front double biceps, and I'm probably gonna caption it. The snow can't stop my gains. The snow won't stop my gains. The blizzard won't stop my gains. We're gonna get 100 views, inshallah. That's it. All right, last angle for shuffle.
Yeah, I'm in there good right now.